Good afternoon, Professor. So, this is my personal timetable. So, last week I had a meeting with our professor and continuously working on paper writing of the AD project. So, for the AD project with RPD, today I had a meeting with Jacob for the another resonate experiment with Halim Dehakyo sample experiment. So, for the PSA in urine project, I'm continuously working with Dr. Sachin and juniors. Today we had experiment for the graphene oxide thin film coating and continue experiment for the antigen capacitance measurement. So for the coronavirus, I had a meeting with professor last week and presented the P3 chip preparation and data. So this week I'll continue my preparation of draft paper for the AD project, and this week I'm going to test the AD sample with Jacob for with the another resonator with package chip. For the PSC, also working with Dr. Sachin for the experimental process. For the coronavirus, I already prepared the different concentration and continuously working on paper writing plan. And Professor, I'm also thinking with experiment with D3 chip for the corona testing for stable results. So this is my paper writing plan. For the graphene IDC research works, we are using the here P6 and T5 chip with the graphene layer. This is our corona detection biosensing technology. Our paper writing plans with table of contents for surface characterization. Still we have not fixed all the surface characterization technique. I'll ask to Runsang to check the time and nanopap for the SEM and AFM results. I already presented to our professor for all the information about the kit COVID detection, how we are detecting the antigen. Professor modified as per our professor guided me to change this into SARS-CoV spike antibody. Our biosensing recipe. This is our all the experimental process chart with all the steps. So last week I prepared the concentration and results with P3 chip. This is our 10 to the power minus 3 concentration with 10 to the power minus 12 concentration I prepared. This is our results with the capacitance, alciometer and optical microscope results. So I prepared the origin graph with their capacitance and this x-axis on the concentration, and this is our bare chip. Here we can see, and this is our red point is chip plus graphene oxide plus EDCNHS plus antibody. All the chip is having same kind of capacitance value near about. Now third one is chip plus graphene oxide EDCNHS antibody plus antigen. Antigen is having our minus 6 to minus 12. This minus 12 is a very low concentration. So still in this concentration our prepared biosensor is responding well. So I prepared the data using the origin software. This week I'll continuing the experiment with the D3 chip and T5 chips and present you the data after finishing the experiment. This is our experimental data already presented to our professor. Noted here a colored picture with the equal distribution of graphene oxide, and this is our all graphene oxide EDCNHS coating, and this is our EDCNHS already coat, and finally here is a coronavirus antibody emulsion. Professor, I want to do this experiment with D3 chip because D3 chip width is very small and the two finger distance is only 20 micrometer, so it will be good for our research. I want to check this chip for the experimental process for coronavirus detection processor. So this week I will continue the experiment with D3 and D5 chips. I presented to our professor detection assay kit, our Alzheimer experiment with the IPD chip. This week I am also going to do the experiment with Jacob for the IPD chip. This is all the process chart. Professor, our future. This is all the process, our chip and the graphene oxide coding and EDCNHS coding, and then we will use amyloid beta 142 antibody, and this is our plasma sample. So Professor, in future we can also connect our device for the point of care testing. Already our device is connected with our machine, and we have taken the data in the SD card. Then the computer will give us a text file, and we can have program with the text file we using the MATLAB software and analyze the data for the point of care testing using the signal amplifier and the digital process. Miniaturize potential state connected with the smartphone using the device. Professor, this is my prepared images for my last paper. I've modified this picture for my paper with the IPD chip. All the process for the real-time detection with the IPD chip. This is our last weekend results. As professor asked us to check only the before TDCS sample, so we will check our before TDCS sample only. So this is our chip. In last experiment our chip is broken, so we will consider the another chip with package design. So experiment results. This is our paper writing plan with Jacob for the IPD AD sensor. Sir, this is my vacation schedule. I want to go vacation for 5 days from Monday 10 to 14 Friday. So it's my personal achievement. That's also. Thank you, Professor.